Free mower season has arrived. We've got a John Deere GX85. 13 horse Briggs and Stratton engine. Mulcher compatible, bruh. Ooh, it's dark. It's free. That's good news. Ah, mouse nest. 520. We have negative volts. This is bad news. New battery installed. Yeah, we got voltage, but no key. No bueno. No key, but an easily accessible starter solenoid. I'm just gonna jump it. Sparks. Oh. That's no good. Yeah, that's a new problem we come action-packed with. God, this smell always gets old and gross. And the shit gets all over it. Ain't got no gas in it. No key. We'll jump and see if there's any movement here on our starter or not. Yeah, hell yeah. That scared me. All right, since the key is off, I'm gonna pull the ground. So grounding wire, we pulled off of the coil. Ether. Choke. On, off. So my thumb is on the choke, choking this engine out, hopefully getting some sort of spark. Let's see. Yeah, baby! This runs. I guarantee I've got water into this filler neck down here, because look how loose that is. So I'll spray some contact cleaner in there. There's also a bunch of gunk and